Hello and welcome to Python in 60 seconds. Today we discuss the difference between double equals and is in Python. So you've probably seen this before. A equals B but A is not B here. What does that even mean? A equals B means that A and B have the same value. So when you do A equals 1000 for example, the Python interpreter will create an integer object of value 1000 and assign it to A. And then when you do B equals 1000, it will create a new integer object of value 1000 and assign it to B. Since both objects have the same value, A equals B. It's the same value 1000. But A is not B. Why? Because A is B means that A and B are assigned to the same exact object. So they are pointing to the same exact address in memory. Here, the equality is preserved because, of course, it's the same value 1000 for both, but also A is B. This was Python in 60 seconds. Thank you for watching, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.